The 1310 LXT Ram Blowout Preventer, the latest in the LXT line of boltless door BOPs from National Oil Well Varco. The LXT BOP offers unparalleled efficiency in safety, operation, and maintenance. Here we see the ease in which the BOP is opened for access to the Ram blocks. Heavy and awkward tools are not required. Simply remove the safety pins and lock bars. A simple lever actuation opens the door. Attach the patented Ram change device. Slide the block onto the Ram changer. On a double Ram BOP, there is no need to open the top cavity to gain access to the lower cavity blocks. Swing the block out of the cavity for Ram change, inspection, or seal replacement. Closing the door is just as easy. Swing the block into the cavity. Slide the block onto the Ram shaft. Actuate the door into the closed position. Install the lock bars and safety pins. The Ram is back in service in about 5 minutes. The 1310 LXT Ram Blowout Preventer. Safe, reliable, and efficient. Your next innovation in drilling rig operations.